Sir, welcome to Vizcayana Hotel. My name is Ricky. How may I assist you today?
Good evening. I don't have a reservation, but I'd like to know if you have a deluxe room available for tonight.
Absolutely, mister. May I have your name, please?
My name is Carl Reyes.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes. I'm pleased to inform you that we do have deluxe rooms available for tonight. The deluxe room is 4,500 pesos per night and includes complimentary breakfast for two, Wi-Fi access and use of our pool and gym.
That sounds good. What payment methods do you accept?
We accept cash, all major credit and debit cards as well as GCash. Would you prefer to settle payment now or upon checkout?
I will pay now. Also, what time is checkout?
Standard checkout at 12 noon, but we do offer late checkout up to 2 p.m. subject to availability. And just so you know, we have a current promo. If you stay 2 nights, your second night is 15% off. Additionally, would you be interested in booking a relaxing massage from our in-house spa? We offer a 10% discount for first-time guests.
Thanks, but I will just stay one night for now.
No problem at all. I'll just process your booking. May I please see one's valid ID?
This is my valid ID.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes. Your booking is confirmed for one deluxe room tonight at 4,500 pesos. Here's your key card. For room 407, at the elevators are to your right. A bellman can assist you with your luggage if needed. If you need anything at all during your stay, room service, laundry or assistance with transportation, just dial 0 from your room phone. Enjoy your stay with us, Mr. Reyes.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Have a wonderful evening.